guys, we're going to show you how to install an Oracle VScanner without removing the bumper at all today. What you're first going to want to do, there's 4 10mm bolts right here. You're going to want to remove all those. Once you remove these 4 10mm bolts, there's 6 plastic push pins, and you're just going to have to remove those. What you're going to want to do is lift this up just to clear the hood hinge. And it's going to come right out like that. And now you got access to the factory mail slot here. There's going to be some tabs that you just got to push out. Once you get half of them, normally the rest will just come as you're pulling it, just like that. We're about to slide this through here, but before we do that, you have to get this wire through here. And there's 2 ways to do it. You can either cut this or drill a hole big enough for this box to slide right through here. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to cut this and drill a small hole just to feed this wire through. And you want to make sure that you're going to splice these same 2 ends together, because if you don't, the scanner will not work properly. So now that we got the scanner in and the wire through, we're going to want to reconnect. 2 ways you can do this. You can either butt connect it or solder it. I'm going to butt connect it today. So now what I'm going to do is take this wire and route it under the radiator shroud. Come out right here. Now for the constant power, we're going to be hooking it up to this fuse box lead right here. It's a 13mm bolt, and you're just going to have one just big enough to where it'll go through that bolt. And a little tip, I'm going to take this and cut this little bit off so that I don't have to fully take this nut off. All I have to do now is slide it in, tighten it back up, and now the power's done. Once I have the screw in the body, I take the screw back out, slide through the ground.
Unlimited back of the pit lanes for third, please. Unlimited back
Put it back in the hole I just made,
please.
And we're gonna screw it back on. And that's the ground. Now that we have everything wired up, you just want to double check, make sure everything works. What you're gonna do is hit the center button. It's gonna turn it on. Just go through all the functions, see all the things it can do. Once you see it's working, just reassemble.